think GDPR is a great thing in terms of the value it's going to have for advertisers and for sellers. The unique value of first-party data is going to be more realised than it was in the past. And I think that's great if it drives transparency and trust in the ecosystem for all partners. At Unruly in particular, we're really focused on building out our first-party data offering. We have proprietary data that we use to fuel our audience insights products, and we can offer those to advertisers and to publishers. Specifically, we're building out a product called Real Audiences, which is about uncovering brand personas and matching that to our understanding of their emotional profiles and their personality types, which we can use to drive performance for clients.
I think the impact of GDPR on third-party data targeting is actually going to be quite substantial. I think in the way that a lot of data companies have operated in the past, possibly questionable in their data collection methods. I don't think it's necessarily illegal, but possibly unethical in some instances. I think GDPR will go some way to cleaning that up, and I think in the short term, or certainly the next 6 months, I think a lot of the third-party data companies are going to have a very interesting time in how they add value.
It's going to be very difficult for them, if not impossible, for the third-party data companies, and for that to continue. I would say for somebody like us, who's a first-party data-led business, then we're in a great position, and I hope that the brands and the advertisers and the agencies see that.
So I think we'll see a lot of consolidation in the marketplace in the next few weeks before GDPR kicks out. I think we are all very cautious about the third-party data that we have traditionally been using because we don't know where the consent came from or whether it was verified consent. So that will naturally make us cautious. It will naturally change the marketplace. But those that survive and those consortiums that come together and join their data that still give us that trust are going to be the ones that actually ultimately benefit from it. You know, we'll buy more of it, we'll pay more for it because it's better and it's better quality, rather than some of the data that we currently buy now where we know that there's a certain amount of decay in that data and it's not as relevant as it was when it was first produced.